This video walks you through, step by step, how to ask a question about a specific reporting requirement using the BTR Review Collaboration tool. To get started, make sure you're in the checklist section for the thematic area you're working on. On the landing page, select the party you want to review. Next, use the main navigation menu on the left to choose the review space. Find the thematic checklist you need, then click on the Reporting Requirements tab to open the details for that area. You can move between reporting requirements using the previous and next buttons, or by clicking the numbered indicators. Take a moment to read through the description and any guidance for the reporting requirement you're reviewing. Use the Notes section to leave comments for yourself or your team, and attach any documents that help support your assessment. If your assessment of the BTR and supporting documents is not or partially, you'll need to raise a question for the party. To do this, look for the Questions tab on the right. Click the Raise a Question button to start submitting your question. When you click Raise a Question, you'll see a question form pop up. Here's how to fill it out. Give your question a clear, simple title, so it's easy to spot the issue or concern. Choose the right question type and add any extra details, like gas or fuel type if you're working with GHG thematic areas. Use the description box to write your main question. You can format your text, making it clearer and easier to read. If you made a mistake, just click the Clear button to remove your inputs. To include extra information, use the Attach Files button to add supporting documents. When you're ready, hit the Send button to submit your question for approval by the lead reviewer and technical review officer. If you want to work on your question later, click Save. This keeps your question as a draft. Only you can see it for now. You can view, edit, delete, or submit your draft in the Question and Answer Overview module. For more details, check out our video on how to view and manage questions and answers in the Question and Answer Overview module.